Alright guys, and welcome to another edition of my video. On this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to share from a reward pool of 1 million Mantle tokens. So you can, if you look over here right now, you can see that Mantle is currently trading at the price of $0.72, and on this video we are going to be learning how we can be able to make not less than 100 or 50 Mantle tokens right on this video. So I'll be blowing your mind away, and I'll be giving you guys all the proof and the reason why I'm making this video. So this is actually a secret airdrop. Most of the YouTubers are not talking about this, but on this channel I present to you guys nothing but the best money making opportunities right here on the crypto space. So if you're watching the video right now, congratulations, and make sure you watch this video to the end. Do not skip any part of it. Like I said earlier, we are going to be sharing from a reward pool of 1 million Mantle token, and 1 million Mantle token is currently equivalent to about $725,000 when you convert it to USDT. So right now guys, without talking much, let's now dive deep and of course talk about this airdrop. The last time that we talked about this airdrop, a lot of people made a very good amount of money, and this is the testimony that I've got so far. And over here right now you can see that this person right here made about 40 Mantle tokens right here, and of course this person right here made about 28 Mantle tokens. So without talking much, let's now dive deep and of course talk about how we can be able to share from this airdrop and of course position ourselves to be eligible. All right, so the link to this website is going to be on the video description box. So what you need to do right now to get started is simply copy the link, paste it on your EVM wallet, example MetaMask wallet, or any wallet that supports Ethereum at all. Paste it right there and get started, or you can paste it on your browser if you are using a browser wallet just like myself. All right, so right now guys, this is it right here, and this is the website. And of course, once you copy the link from the video description and paste it on your browser, this is where you are going to be taken to. And right now, let me give you guys little explanation about this area before we dive deep and of course participate on it. To blow your mind away, you can see that out of the 1 million Mantle token that is going to be distributed, you can see that we have a very little number of participants. That is why I'm telling you that this airdrop is very secret, and it is not popular, and it is not overfarmed, rather it is underfarmed. You know that any project that is underfarmed is likely to reward better. All right, so over here right now you can see that the highest number of participants currently is 6,400 people. All right, and if 6,400 people shares from our 1 million Mantle token, you know that they are going to be getting something very reasonable. All right, so right now let's get started properly. But before we do that, please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, or if you are just coming across our channel for the first time, please do well to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that each time we post any new video, you will be the first to know about it and take action to position yourself and make some money right here on the crypto space. So over here right now we have some quests that we need to complete right here, but on this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to complete it. It is very simple, and right now let's get started. All right, so looking over here right now, you can see we have this saying, the name of this campaign is actually called Mantle Surge, and over here they say that the 1 million Mantle prize pool is here. Echo Galaxy Mantle Surge campaign is officially live in collaboration with Bybit and Layer3. Join now to compete, earn reward, and ride the next big wave in the Mantle ecosystem, plus win exclusive reward from Bybit. So right now guys, you can see this campaign actually started just yesterday. It started on March 6th 11 a.m. and it is going to end on March 27th. All right, this means that we have about 20 days to participate on this airdrop. So if you are seeing this video right now, make sure that you take action. Do not wait, because this airdrop could be it could be saturated later. And remember, it is done on the basis of first come first serve. So make sure you do it, and make sure you take the necessary actions right now. Okay, so over here right now, once you have gotten to this page, what you need to do right here is very simple. Simply click over here that we have the sign in button. Once you click on the sign in, you need to select the wallet that you want to use for this. So I'm using MetaMask wallet, so I will select MetaMask wallet, and this is going to be popping up a notification asking me to connect this website to my wallet. So right now I will proceed and click on connect, and once I have clicked on connect, the connection is going to be established. And right now you can see user rejected the request. Let's try it again. Let's click on sign message right now, and let's see what we are going to be having right here. So once you get this error message, simply proceed and try again. So you click on confirm. Let's see what we're going to have right here, and automatically we have now connected our wallet successfully. So over here right now, to be able to complete this task, everything you need to do right here is very simple. Okay, so right now we have a lot of them right here. For example, we have this first one right here. This is the welcome task which you need to complete, and also you need to complete this task as well. All these ones are the welcome task. All right, so to complete them are very simple, and it is very important that you watch the video to the end. Do not skip any part of it. Let me show you what you might encounter and how you can be able to solve them. Okay, so over here right now, it's very simple. So we go ahead and click on this first one. You click on it right now, and you are going to be taken into it. And right now, pay close attention. Let me show you how this is done. Okay, so right now, once it is opened up, we are going to be starting the explanation right immediately. And right now we continue. So over here, guys, you can see this is where we have the welcome task, Mantle search, and of course this first task is just the introduction, and you simply need to click on next to proceed to this second task, which I'm completing right now. And on this second task, you are only required to hold certain amount of Mantle token, because the Mantle token is what you are going to be needing to mint cube. All right, so cube is like a reward, and the cube that you are minting is what's going to be determining your own allocation. Right now, watch the video and see me how I'm going to be able to mint the cube. So right now, I think I have some Mantles on the wallet that I'm using for this airdrop, so I will go ahead and click on verify. But if you don't have Mantle yet, and you have Ethereum, or you have any other crypto on any network, you can of course click right here on get Mantle. And once you click on get Mantle, you are going to be taken to a website whereby you need to either bridge, swap, or do anything that can help you get some Mantle token. For example, right now we have what we call cross-chain swapping. This means that even if you have maybe Ethereum on any on Optimism network, or maybe on Arbitrum or even Base, you can of course come right here and do some cross-chain swapping, meaning that it is going to be swapping that your Ethereum to Mantle token. So right now, this is the means that through which you can swap it and get some Mantle token. You can also get Mantle from any centralized exchange like Bybit or Binance, and of course use it and position yourself. So right now, let's go back and proceed with the video. So right now, guys, we are going to be verifying this because I'm holding some Mantles already. So I will click on verify. Okay, so this is going to be loading up right now, and you can see it has just verified it right now. This means that we are holding some Mantle token, and that is how simple it is. So over here right now, we are going to require to mint MJSBT to start participating on Mantle search campaign. So right, guys, we are going to be clicking on these open Mantle missions, and right now we are going to be clicking on this. Let's see what we are going to be seeing right here. Maybe you are going to be minting some SBT right here. Okay, just allow it to load up, and remember, make sure you watch the video to the end so that you won't get to miss out anything important. All right, so over here right now, this is where we are going to be minting the SBT. But before we do that, we are going to be required to connect our wallet. You click on connect wallet, we select MetaMask as well, and right now the connection is going to be established once I connect it right now. Okay, so over here right now, you can see that the connection has been established, and right now we are required to mint the MJSBT. Okay, so over here right now, this is it right now. We simply need to click on mint now. All right, so it is very important that you watch the video to the end. Do not skip any part. Okay, so right now, guys, we are going to be minting this, and let's see the cost right here. And over here right now, we are going to be paying $0.01 worth of Mantle, which is equivalent to 0.0087. This is very small, almost negligible. All right, so we go ahead and click on confirm. So you can participate on this totally free, and right now you can see that the minting is currently on the way right now, and just give it a little time to be done. You can see minted successfully. We have now minted this MJSBT. So right now we are done with this, so we go back to where we were earlier. So right now that we are done with the minting, you go ahead and click on verify. So it's very important that I let you know. You can see we have something error right here. So we click on verify one more time. You can see we are still getting some error message right here. So over here, you can, this is totally optional, so we can leave it for now and maybe try again later. Okay, so right now I will click on skip for now, and over here right now you can see we have this same mechanism for ticket. Okay, they say welcome task, you get some you get 1 ticket for this, and the advanced task you get 2 tickets, the strict task you get 2 tickets. And remember, well, I'm going to be explaining this later when I'm done showing you how to complete the first task. Remember, this is very simple, so you go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so right now, guys, we are now on the last thing that we need to do before we go ahead and claim our reward. And over here, you are being told how the Mantle allocation is going to be allocated. You can see that 300,000 Mantle is allocated to layer 3. Layer 3 is actually this current task that we are participating on. And over here, you can see that 700 Mantle is allocated to Bybit task. This means that there are some tasks that you need to complete on Bybit as well, and over there 700,000 Mantle token is going to be shared right there. Okay, but right now we are currently participating on the layer 3 quest. So right now guys, you can see, don't forget to register your Bybit code here. Do not put the normal UID. Okay, do not put the normal UID, as there is no way to change the submission. Follow instruction and only copy the Bybit code as required in this quest. Okay, so right now guys, this is what you need to take note of. So right now we need to go ahead and click on continue right now, and over here right now we are going to be taken to the last thing we need to do, which is of course claiming our reward. And over here right now we are going to be claiming this cube right here, and also we are going to be getting 100 SP. But before I will do that, let me try this mint MJ SBT one more time. This is optional, that is why you are seeing some error message. That is why it is not mandatory. All right, so we go ahead and click on verify one more time, because I'm already done with this. You can see we are still getting error message. Let's proceed on claiming our reward. I will try it again next time. If you encounter this type of error at your own end, make sure you try again later. Okay, so over here right now, what you need to do is simply change your network to Mantle. So you click on switch to Mantle, and this is going to be loading up immediately, and this is going to be switching your network to Mantle. And right now we are on the Mantle network, so we go ahead and click on mint cube to claim. All right, so over here right now your cube is going to be minted once you confirm this MetaMask pop-up. Okay, so this is how simple it is, and make sure you do this. You are not going to be regretting that you do this. All right, so right now this is going to be costing you 0.1 Mantle. I will click on confirm. Okay, I will click on confirm, and right now this confirmation will be done right now, and you can see that our credential is currently being minted. All right, and right now once the minting is done, we are going to be proceeding to the next step. All right, just allow it to load up. We got error message right here. So this is actually a new project on this, so you might encounter all this type of error, but what you need to do is simply keep on trying until you succeed. That is the key. Persistence is the key to this type of airdrop. Do not joke with it, and do not be lazy about it. If you encounter any problem, let me know on the comment section. All right, and right now you can see that I have successfully minted this cube, and I have completed this first quest. So over here right now you can see I've minted this cube, and remember this cube is going to be used to track your progress, and of course used to actually determine your own allocation. So make sure that you mint this cube that we are talking about right here. So going back right now, let me show you some more stuff that you need to know. So over here right now you can see that we are now done with this first task. You need to go ahead and complete this task right here, complete this one as well, and complete this one, and complete this one, and then wait, because in 5 days the advanced task is going to be unlocked. That is when the business gets even more serious. All right, so that is how simple it is, and this is what you need to do right now to position yourself for the Mantle airdrop that is coming very, very soon. Remember, this airdrop is going to be ending this month. It is not like every other airdrop that is going to take months, 6 months, 8 months to complete. So this is the type of airdrop that is being hidden by all these idolos or idolos, I don't know what you call them, but this airdrop is not being exposed by the people who are already big in the industry. So thank you for watching, and I believe you got a value from this video. Do well to like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video that I'm going to be sharing very, very soon. Thank you for watching, and remember, I'm going to be making a video on how you can be able to participate on the Bybit part of the campaign, where we are going to be sharing 700,000 Mantle token. Thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video that is going to be dropped very, very soon. With that being said, thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon.